Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. I'm out here in the front yard today and I'm going to be working on the hydrangea border. It's about 28 degrees this afternoon and I need to get some work done here in the front yard. So let me show you what I'm planning to do. Alright guys, so here's what the hydrangea border currently looks like. So I made this bed, I created this bed back in fall, almost winter. Actually it was December last year when I created this border using the no dig method. And on one part of the bed I planted the limelights, which you see here on the right side, doing great currently. I have a dahlia back there, a birth bath in the middle, and the rest of the bed is the white Annabelle hydrangea. So the two most important things I'm hoping to get done today are, one, get rid of this wooden mulch that I used while I was creating the bed back in winter, and I'll be replacing that with a darker version of it. And then the second thing would be to expand the bed right down here, and that will be to plant more of the Annabelle hydrangea variety. Now you can see that I've already done some work here. I've started building the bed using the no dig method. However, now this time I want to have it lower than the top bit of it, which is why I have created some holes already, and I've put in some buckets as placeholders. The first thing I'm going to be doing right now is to distribute the compost that I've put here evenly, and making sure that I have covered all the borders here and just giving it a clean line to start with. Alright guys, I'm not going to waste time trying to cover all that cardboard. That means I'm going to be moving on now to removing all that wooden mulch, as I have done here already. I'm going to be removing all of that in the front part of the bed, and then I'll be replacing that with a darker mulch. Okay, so we're almost done removing the layer of mulch, of wooden mulch now. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to fertilize. It's getting dark already over here, and I'll be using this organic fertilizer to put at the bottom of the hydrangeas here before I put the new mulch on top of it. Alright guys, it's almost 9 o'clock and I'm only halfway through with what I was planning to do here with this border today. However, I'm pretty happy with the progress that I've made. As you can see, the extension bit is ready for planting, and I don't quite know yet how I want to proceed with the planting. I'm thinking about taking cuttings from these and attempting to kind of like get them to root over there, and if they don't root by the end of the season, I can plant new things. So that is yet to be decided. Moving on, you see that the new mulch is now in place. I am much happier looking at this version of the border. I think this is much better. And I don't know if I should be adding something here in the front. As you can see, I have that Supertunia Bordeaux, which is growing there. I have a few here, so I was thinking of extending those right to the end, but I also have some Hydrangea that I could use here. I'm not sure yet what I want to do. I kind of like this new look right now, and I want to keep it like this for some time until I've decided what I want to complement the border with. Over here between the limelights and the dahlias, I had a hosta growing here that I've removed right now, And I'm thinking about putting this sweet Ophelia hydrangea here. It grows on the lower side, which is good because up on top of that I have the New England asters, which are going to be blooming in fall. And underneath that, between the dahlia here and the limelight hydrangea there, I could just have those sweet Ophelias. I'm going to be using the smaller one of them. These two, I think those will look pretty good there, and when they grow they're going to become something like this. So that is the plan for that cone. So I'm going to plant that real quick, and then I'll think about what to do with the rest of the border overnight. And it's getting dark already. I'll come back here tomorrow and assess the situation and decide what I want to do with that extension part of it. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.